Crude oil, we start with forward chart. Okay, as we can see, based on forward chart, we have a correction here, and now we want to see whether we can get any buy setup. But before that, if we compare this one to each other and we refer to the indicators, we can see we have a divergence. This is just information for us, okay, in case we get the bigger correction. That's mean any trade set, any if you want to trade, we should get a proper trade setup before we take the trade. And if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, now the question is whether this is the only correction and we can expect the price to move, or we can expect to have a the price can move in very corrective move up, drop. That means we get the bigger correction, at least similar to what we have here, before we get the next move. Okay, it depends how traders are going to trade. But for me, if I get any trade setup from here with a sharp move, small flag, and I take it, and when the price come to here, I start to manage it. But if I see the price is moving very corrective, then we wait for the next drop. Then from there we can look for buy. Anyway, still we can look, we're looking for buy, but we have to get the trade set up because we want to know again, this is the only correction or we can get more complex correction before, the bigger correction before we get the next move. And if you want to trade, any trade setup we get, if you want to trade, we should have at least a stop loss. We know where our stop loss is, because I mentioned based on forward chart, because of the divergence, maybe this one turn to a bigger correction before we get the next move. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if I see any trade, then I will share. Thanks.